Um, hey guys, it's Quentin and welcome to the Only Profits Academy. And today I just wanted to share with you guys profits I made trading Ethereum. There we go. As you can see, I made $23,000 trading Ethereum. And if you want a broker where you can trade with leverage, you can send me a message. And yeah, I'm gonna give you the link. But as you can see, I bought Ethereum somewhere around $24,000, and I left with profits close to $27,000. And yeah, basically I sent the analysis and my entire thought process of the entire trade to the membership area. And looking at Ethereum, it's currently in an uptrend, and there might be some pullbacks because of fundamentals, but trading like the smart money traders and the top 1%, basically all I have to do is it's just a matter of finding the best entries for the continuation of the current bullish run. And what you need to understand is, as far as this channel goes, every single trade you see is coming from a heightened understanding of the universal truth of the market. Going through my account history, you can see the consistency and the diversity of how I trade, both the Forex market, cryptos, and even indices. As you can see, I left the market with close to $6,000 on Ethereum on US 30 last week, and every single trade you see here was sent to the membership area. And paying attention, you will notice that I do not take a lot of trades, but I take the most profitable trades. And in the course of like 3 months, I have made over $70,000 worth of profits from an initial deposit of $500. And basically, I'm just letting you guys understand that your capital doesn't really play a strong part of how much you can make trading. What really matters is your understanding of the market, be it the Forex market or trading cryptos. And yeah, I want to make the video very quick. $23,000 worth of profits trading Ethereum today. And if you want to learn how I trade both the crypto market and the Forex market, you can visit the website or send me a message. And if you want to make residual income, literally not doing anything but consistently making money, you can copy my trades. All you have to do is connect your live trading account to mine and make money. So if you want to leave the market with profit with myself and the team, yeah, you can visit the website or send me a message. Quick $23,000 trading Ethereum. Consistency is the goal. And yeah, signing out. Go ahead and like the videos and subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this. My goal with this particular account is to make somewhere around $250,000. I do not know when I will complete that challenge because it's summer, and basically I have not taken a lot of trades since the summer started because yeah, hot boy summer. But you get the gist. $23,000. Like, and if you find the video interesting, you can share it with your friends. Clinton signing out. Trade safely, and hey guys, have a nice one. Hey guys, it's quite early here in Miami, and I was looking at the charts and I saw a very quick opportunity to show you guys a very quick scalp, a euro-dollar scalp. And this is the Only Profits scalping method 1. Yeah, I'm in the trade already, and my screen recorder is giving me some issues, so I'm going to check that out right now real quick, and I'm going to get back to you guys on the trade. Yeah, sorted that out, and we're moving in profits already. Like I said, it's a method 1 trade where I scalp the market for very few pips, and it's still working in full effect. I mean, the strategy is way beyond consistent. It's just an amazing system. Boom, take profit hit. And in less than 4 minutes, I have been able to successfully leave the market with over $300. And for those of you who think trading the Forex market is all about technical analysis, I hate to break it to you guys. You have a lot to learn about the market. As a matter of fact, you have so much to learn about the Forex market. And you can see the system is still working in full effect. I mean, it's somehow the market is moving mad, but yeah, I've still been able to stay consistent, and couple of method 1 trades, couple of method 2 trades, and still growing the account. I mean, I took this account from $5,000 to over $12,000, and this account is very much different from the $500 challenge account. So if you are still tearing down the charts, I mean, going from the monthly time frame to the 5 minutes time frame before you get into trades, and you think that will help you become consistent, like I said, you have so much to learn about the market, because trading the market like that is pretty much the same as gambling, and your lack of awareness will definitely lead you to more losses. I mean, if you've stayed consistent doing all this top-down analysis, you probably won't be watching this video right now. So if you want to get access to my Forex and crypto signals or my trading course, you can send me a message or visit the website. And if you have any questions about how I trade, how I look at the market, feel free to send me a message. I'll definitely find time to get back to you. I intend to make this video very short, quick, $320 scalp. Staying consistent, making money is the goal, and fuck all that trading psychology bullshit your mentors feed you guys every time their shitty systems fail. I mean, like I said, I'm not going to be showing you guys trades on trading view and all that bullshit. I put my money where my mouth is. And if you want to see my FX book, yeah, you can send me a message. Clinton signing out. Like, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, have a nice one.